Hello guys. I hope you guys can hear me. All eyes on each individual 1 minute time frame candles right now. Uh, I hope I'm live. I hope I'm live. By the way, yeah. I hope you guys can hear me. Hello guys. I hope you guys can hear me. All eyes on each individual 1 minute. Yeah, I think so. You guys can hear me. Yeah. I wanted to right now the main thing is I'm watching right now is 3 p.m. We have a news core PC price index. We have a news at 115, 130 as well, which has paused. So we'll discuss that as well. From this candle, it's formed at 130. It has gone down. It was very good shot at this point. I missed that trade, and um, we'll discuss everything. I really want to focus on 1 minute time frame right now. Um, as market has gone down, I would say that just initial anticipation. If you can anticipate from the market right now, we don't need this high now. And overall, if you watch out this structure, the way market has created all of those highs just on a bigger picture time frame, these highs, I'm not confident on all of those highs. I'm anticipating from here market should have to be bullish to knock all of those highs after the news. We have the same highs on 4 hour time frame as well. We have the same highs on daily time frame as well. Very close to each other. I'm anticipating it should have to knock all of those highs today. But it is also possible that market. It is not mandatory that market really has to be bullish today. Maybe it is possible it could be bearish as well. So we have to be content with that. It is the reason could be for the market to be bearish is all of those highs. Market is creating at this point. Yet another high market has created very close to those highs, and it should have to be remain bearish to be going down as well. Or maybe it is also possible that it could go further all the way toward downward side to this weekly upper level of the fair value gap as well. This is what I am watching right now as well. Could be could possible. We cannot deny this from the market. If you watch out this structure, just a second. So if you try to focus on just right now, like I'm leaning more of like bullish. The reason is the reason is we have all of those local highs. Market is correcting, and overall this is bullish. We have this is the daily time frame fair value gap market tapped into. We're creating all of those highs, and then I'm anticipating this is a green level is a 4 hour down fair value gap. From here, I'm just anticipating all of those highs to be knocked. It could go to this 96K weekly high as well. We cannot deny this. This is the thing I'm thinking about for the bullish case scenario. It should have to create a local bottom inside this range and try to be bullish because of the news. There will be volatility, so we can anticipate it is likely possibility as well. Market could do this kind of per second as well. Could be bullish, could be bearish as well. For bearish case scenario, maybe it has to left all of those highs in play, and then it has already come down inverting this 4 hour time fairly gap. Try to knock all of those lows. Maybe this daily low as well. This is also possible as well. This is the daily low. We could possible could be knocked as well. All of those lows as well. We could be knocked as well. So it is also possible that because we have a news, that's why I'm anticipating a volatility either upward side or downward side. It is also possible that maybe market has to remain sideways inside this high, inside this low as well, and then maybe rolling down or bullish as well. Anything we could anticipate from the market to do on um, anything we can anticipate from the market perform like that. So that's why I'm leaning more of like watching the for a second right now. If you watch out right now. I really wanted to keep an eye on 1 minute time from each individual candle. Let me quickly wrap up into more of like bigger picture how we're this is more of like a bigger picture time frame. I'm anticipating from the market to perform 30-minute time frame. We have created this big 30-minute time frame fair value gap right now at the moment. I really want to highlight that for now. If it has to be bullish, this is the thing. Like, for example, if we are anticipating from the market to be bullish, how it could be bullish? It should have to invert this 30-minute time frame fair value gap, hold the area upper level of 50% of the range. Then I will anticipate all of those highs to be knocked. As long as we are trading below this level of 50% of the range, we can anticipate the low levels as well on a shorter term time frame. The same thing on 15-minute time frame. We have this 15-minute time frame fairly gap as well. While going down, market has created. So as long as we are trading below this area in this range, we will be looking for to go for the lower levels, and a market could possible, highly likely possible as well. But as long as we if we went above the 30-minute time frame fairly gap, we can anticipate for the market to be bullish from here toward upper side. So this is the thing. This is more of like a bigger picture time frame. I'm anticipating the same 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. If you go into the 5-minute time frame, this is very choppy. This is the 5-minute time frame gap as well. Market has already wicked into this 30-minute time frame and with then 15-minute time frame fairly gap as well. If it is aggressively bearish, like the way it has, we have seen this aggressive cross section toward downward side. If it aggressively bearish, this is the high. It should not have to go above this high, and then it should have to tends to knock down or try to knock all of those lows. And I am not confident on all of those lows as well. It is possible that all of those lows could be knocked as well. Maybe after knocking this low, market be bullish. Possible. Maybe market after knocking this low, market continue its momentum toward downward side as well. We can anticipate that. I'm not confident on all of those lows. We are already going down. We have tapped into 15-minute time gap. I'm anticipating all of those lows. Possible that from here it could be bullish. Possible. Hello, hello, guys. Hello. Yeah, you guys can hear me. Thank God. Hello, guys. So yeah, my stop loss is above this high. Thank God. I'm not doing any trade. I'm not doing any kind of trade. In my imagination, just in my mind, my stop loss is above this high. I'm looking for this low to be knocked because we are going down, and we are going down very aggressively toward low levels. Let's see if market knock this low before the news or after the by the news. These are the very short blocks as well. Just watching and observing the charts, doing nothing. So look at this. If you go for a short at this point, your stop loss is above this high. You feeling confident now? I'm not feeling confident. You should not have to do this. For example, if it has to really go down. So you can say that this is the thing. It is very important to ask yourself before you take any kind of trade that what could be the reason that you will not take the trade and why you should have to take the trade. For me, the reason is not to take the trade is because you have news after 11 minutes. For example, why I would take this trade? Because we are going down, market is aggressively bearish, and we have this 1 minute time frame fairly gap. We after the opening of this candle as well, at this point we was anticipating this low, all of those lows has been knocked. We are anticipating further continuation toward downward side. That's why these are the reason for the market to jump into the trade for me. But I have a reason not to take the trade is just because market may do nothing, or market may not do go down below this low, because market has to wait for the news as well. That's why. This is just a one reason that is more for like telling me you can't go for trade. So for example, that's why I'm just tapering in the market. This is a fair value gap on 1 minute time frame. And let's see how it closes from here. If it closed below this fair value gap on 1 minute time frame, it should definitely not to have to go above the high 93,800 or something like that, and tends to go down 93,300. This is what I'm watching. So yeah, it seems like it will go down, but we are not taking the trade because we did not find it very much obvious. That's why there could have been a very good 2 or 3 trades today, very small scalp or trades. I could not be able to take those trades, but it does not matter that I have to be like uh, um, pissed off with myself. No, I have to. I really want to remain focused on charts. Does not matter about money and all that. So for me, I don't mind like if I did not trade at all today. I don't mind, but I did not want to lose. That's the thing, and I do not want to break my rules as well. I do not want to be irrational to do irrational trading. That's the most important thing for me. We don't know. Like, look at this. Oh my god! Look at this 1 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. Let me show you 4 hour time frame candle. Look at this candle. Yo, this 4 hour time frame candle. Look at this, man. Big candle to go down outside. Look at this. Oh my god. Can you be bullish at this point? Very difficult to be bullish. So it seems like it will knock 93k of the range as well. We're doing nothing. Just tapering the market, man. So we'll come down, open, go down 1 hour time frame. Will be highly likely 92,700. So after that we have 92,700 of the range have a daily low. So we will watch out that as well if that played out. If I know market is very bearish right now at the moment, if we get any small trade all the way to this range, maybe possible. If I will take that very small trade, it will be maybe I don't know if it really has to go down to maybe 92,700 of the range as well. So yet another market has done this. Who are just tapering this price action, must stop loss is there. It should have to show rejection. It invert this 1 hour minute time fairly gap, go down, knock this low. This could have been a trade 6 or 700 to 300. Maybe it is possible continue to be bearish to 92 700 of the range as well from here. And we have not pushed the buttons. We have not taken any trade because we are just watching and observing the charts right now. And yeah, maybe it has to come down all the way to this daily fair value gap as well today. You can also anticipate 92k of the range as well. So 92.7, 92k of the range. We have because on short term time frame as well, we have really nothing after this low as well. We have this low 92,800 or 700 of the range, and after that we have 92k of the range from here. So value had this is the value rail of the range as well. So yeah, it's going down. We have 5 minutes left out for the news. You could have taken this short considering the fact this is macro time going on. It's from 9:50 to 10:10 is a macro time. So on these the macro times, the market tends to knock the highs, tends to knock the lows. And at this point, it's on 9:48, 9:50, 9:49, 9:50, and then 9:51. You could have taken this trade, by the way, but we did not trade anything. Yeah, I could have after the opening of this 1 minute time frame candle, my stop loss would have been above this green candle. You could have taken this trade this low and this low as well. So now we cannot do nothing, man. Let me see 5 minute time frame. Look at this is going down. Or maybe not. I don't know. So today is Wednesday. Tomorrow we have a news as well. Friday we have a bunch of news as well. Average non-farm employment. So technically speaking, you have done a great job. I think so. If you have not taken any trade today, yeah. So there could have been a very good trade as well. I did not have not even taken any trade up till now. Hmm. So I was watching the press second for a whole day for before the opening as well. This point I was like I was watching the pressing, but somebody was pissing me off at that point, like disturbing me. I was actually at library, and then that guy was asking me horrible questions. Could not be able to remain focused on our charts, and then market went down. That's why I did not really like to talk to anybody or say anything when I'm in front of the charts, and he was asking me horrible questions, irrational questions, and why you're doing trading this fucking hell, man. Just because I could not be able to tell him that I really wanted to focus on my charts. After that, I was like, bro. After that, I was not really focused on charts. I was like, bro, go home, come back home, do the live stream. Yeah. And then after that, we have started watching the charts this point. I was like telling you from here, a stop loss is above this high. From here, we were anticipating all of those lows. This low, market knocked those lows. After that, we was aiming for this low. It knocked that as well. This fairly gap it has created. I was like, my stop loss is there. I'm aiming for this low. It has knocked this low as well. Now we are aiming for 90 to 800 of the range from here. It's fine. It's fine. I don't. You don't need to feel like you missed the move, man. Okay, this 4 hour time from candle. It's hilarious, literally. Oh my god. Look at this. Down, 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 down. And maybe it has to possible that maybe it has to go all the way to this daily fairly gap high as well. So they could be a trading opportunity as well, but I'm not confident to go for any kind of trade right now. For example, if I would have taken my short at here, I would have taken most of my profit at this range, and then maybe I would have closed my position. I would have closed my position, man. If I get any because as it is going down, we have a reason as well to be going down. This low, maybe this low, and this is what I am aiming for right now because we are going down. But I'm still waiting and watching, observing the charts. For news is out, market has not really given us any kind of reaction up till now. 3 p.m. It did not need to. Sometimes so it's like so the numbers is still pending. So that's why maybe yeah, yeah it's out. Let's see. I would anticipate because of the news market not this low. I did not want to chase the price right now because it is already going down. I did not want to chase the market right now. So we will be in front of the charts up till 5 o'clock. Five this 4 hour time frame, which is closing at 5 o'clock. So we will see. So look at this. It is going to go up a side. So can you go for a short at this point? Difficult, very difficult. So this is a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap as well. How would you feel if you went for short and at this range you did not take profit at this point and market is going up now? Your target is there. Why would you not take profit? This low is there. Why would you not take profit? Why would you not close your position at this point? I'll be confident to go for a short to those levels if market do sideways per second at this range, create lows very close to each other. And then at some point I will be looking for all of those lows to this low as well to go for a short. Maybe it is possible that market could be aggressively bullish as well from here. It does not seems to me it is bullish right now. It could remain sideways, or sideways means could be rolling down as well, or do nothing. That's how it is. On bigger picture time, we have just this low. Hmm. From tomorrow on, I will be busy, man. Packed busy for next whole week. Next whole week, I'll be busy. Tomorrow, I have a work and to wake up like 4. And then we will have. So, this is a 5 minute time fairly gap. So, let's see if market just wicked into that and then go down. Because we are bearish, that's why. I have my mom calling me. I have to take a call, mom, bro. We are watching the per second. I'm focused on 1 minute time frame, but I will not speak for a while. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. I understand it's not a professional. It's not completely professional the way like you're doing your live stream and then. But so family important, man. My mom is important to me rather than anything. So yeah, family is most important thing. That's why I have to be. Have to take the trade, man. Does not matter. Oh, sorry. I have um to take my call, man. Sorry, guys. I understand it's not a perfect. So we are leaning bearish. I'm not confident on all of those lows, but right now I'm not confident on this high as well. As we are going down, we have seen aggressive price action to go downward side. What market already went down before the news at this point. At this point as well, it would have been a great short. I would tell you, this short would have been a great short. This short. Look at this. You trade at 94, approximately 95k, approximately, and then 93 300. Very good short. If you know how to trade, if you know that market has to go down. This point, when it created this week, I was like, you could put your stop loss at this range for all of those lows. It has to be bearish. Went down, down, and down, and down, and down. Look at this. At this point as well, I was telling you guys. I just opened the last stream. I was telling you my stop loss is above this high. I'm not confident on all of those lows. We are looking for the lows, but we did not trade. We was just tape reading the market. I could have jumped into that short at this point, and then was aiming for this low. At this point, he was aiming for this low, and then at this point, he was aiming for this low. At this point, he was aiming for this low. This low has been not been knocked yet, so you don't need to feel like you have missed the move. You can say that there has been a very good trade from here as well. 94, 94, 300 to all the way to 93, $300,000 move. You already get a very good trade, but you don't need to feel like you have missed the move. You need to feel like you have done nothing. We have just 10 18 right now on a house, and we are already bearish. We're looking for two bearish case scenarios on a market to go down, to be bearish from here. If I get any 200 or 300 or maybe $500 trade to maybe to 90 to 800, maybe 92k from here, why would I not take that? I will take that. So and for that you have to be a little bit of patience, I think so. You cannot chase the price. I don't right now. I'm thinking about one thing right now. This high is a 15-minute time frame high as well, and 30-minute time frame high as well. On 5-minute time frame, we have this wick into that as well. Let's see, market did not show any intent to go above this high. From here, this is the fair value gap. Market hold failed to go above, show rejection. The stop loss is above this high. We are aiming to inverting this level 1-minute time frame. We're anticipating from the market to inverting this 1-minute time frame fair value gap to knock this low and this low. But I'm not confident on those highs. It is possible that market could knock those highs. We will see 50% of the range from the 5-minute time frame fair value gap to be going down to knock all of those lows to Thursday low as well to 92 800 of the range. It is not mandatory, it has to do that. I'm very content with that. Maybe market may not go down on this 10 minutes. This 30-minute time frame, I don't think the market is going to go down to 92 800 from here. This 1 hour time frame, we have 39 minutes left. Do you think market has a potential to come down or close bearish in this low? I don't know about that. On 4 hour time frame, I really don't know. So we have to be like 10. I will be waiting for 10 minutes because on 30-minute time frame, it did not seem to me that market may not go down from here. Look at this. So this is your stop loss. My stop loss is still there From 50% of the range, I'm anticipating market should have to create local bottom, create a big wick, close bearish, try to knock all of those lows and this low as well. This is what I am anticipating from the market to do. Look at this. For example, for example, this is what I was like. I'm doing just imagination trade right now, not the actual trade. How you feel at this point? Your stop loss is there and you're looking for lows. Market is bearish. Oh, market is going down. Market is not going down. It will knock all of those lows and then it will go down, but it went toward upper side from here. How you feel? Not at all confident. At all, not at all confident. So that's why it is very important to keep an eye on bigger picture time frames on a market, how it is performing. Very important. Very important. I'm tired literally. I've done so up till now on this I would say as a whole week what we have done. Monday we did not trade. Tuesday yesterday we took one trade and we closed early. It was a positive trade. Very fine. Today up till now we have not even touched the market to take any trade. Monday there could have been a very good shot. Tuesday as well, the same thing market has done. Monday I wanted to go for a short that morning, but I did not held myself. Then it went down aggressively. The same thing it has done today as well. This point we was just watching and observing the price action market is going down. For future references, we will keep those. I will remember these kind of trades, bro. I will remember forever in my life. Like it has done this when everybody is bullish, structure is bullish, and market is going down because it has to go down. That's why. Yeah, look at this. It is going toward up side from here. This is the daily low as well. Let's see market show reaction to this area and then try to go down because we are bearish and I'm not feeling confident on all of those lows. Don't need this for now. Do you think market has a potential to for bullish case scenario? The weight has come down aggressively bullish from here to knock all of those highs, which is what we was at this point aiming for. It is also possible. It's a possibility we cannot deny, bro. It's a possibility we cannot. Look at this. It is going toward up bazaar. Look at this. Keeping this value gap open. Just that's why it is very important to now watch out bigger picture time frame how it is performing. So this massive 15-minute time frame for value gap in here. I wanted to highlight that. So this is what it is. It's the game of patience, man. The game of patience. Maybe it has to be bullish out. I don't know. We don't know which way it could go from there. I only knew one thing. If it has to be bullish from here on bigger picture time frame, if it should have to close above this 4 hour time frame gap at least on 30-minute time frame or 1 hour, then we will anticipate that it could be bullish for all of those highs. In that case scenario, I will not watch out 1 minute time frame per section. I will just watch out the bigger picture time frame. I take entry out one. I will take entry on 1 minute time frame. I will watch out 15-minute time frame or 30-minute time frame levels. If it has to invert, if let's see if market has a for bullish case scenario, invert this 15-minute time frame value gap and closed above, it has to tends to be bullish aggressively if it has to. If it shows sideways choppy price action inside this range, we are already bearish. So it is also possible that market may do nothing. Market may not go down below this low. Market may not go above all of those lows. It's completely sideways price action throughout the day, throughout the afternoon session as well. Also possible. So this is what I was watching just before doing any kind of analysis. So there was a guy on the Twitter. He was bearish, by the way. He was like telling me that he was saying he was doing the tweets, and then he was saying, "I'm bearish on Bitcoin. It has a lovely short. So I have to go for a short." I was like, "Bro, he's bearish when I'm bullish." He's a range trader. So this guy reach the resistance zone tomorrow in a tag team. I'll I'll go over my short ideas and my entry triggers. Don't miss out, lads. So he's doing short, man. Big TC update coming up. So I'm about to explain if 100k is the next or we are bound for major breakout. Make sure you subscribe. Everybody has a Telegram. So this look at this. So we have seen a big increase in open interest since Monday, but newly added position have not moved the price much. Every time we visit either side of the local range, we reject due to sitting limit orders. I'll be hunting scalp trades above the weekly highs for shorts. So look at this. Open interest is increasing, retail is going long. A market since London time, and Friday high is still untapped, which is why we are not seeing too many shorts at the moment. I'm obviously only interested in shorts. We are testing macro resistance. This guy is like doing short. I was like watching, reading his tweets, and I was like, bro, I'm bullish at this point, and he's bearish. And like, I was bullish, so that's why it is difficult when you're bullish or when you're bearish. So I was bullish today. So as for me, like when you're bullish and market is going down, you did not trade anything. You just tapered the market. I would say that you have done a great job already. But how can you be bearish on certain points when everybody is bearish? So sorry, how? Oh, look at this market is going up, man. Can I buy at this point? Because it is possible that it could be aggressively bullish from here. The weight has come down. The way same weight could be bullish from here to whatever side. Oh my god, man! This market has put me in a horrible place right now. Let's see how 15-minute time frame close. Let's see how 15-minute time frame this 15-minute time frame close, man. So we trade inside. Let's see because it's a 15-minute time frame value gap. Market show rejection, try to go down or completely bullish. We don't know, man. This 15-minute time frame is very important to watch. We have created this 5-minute time frame value gap. If it has to be aggressively bullish from here, should not have to keep this value gap open, man. 93,800 of the range. Can I buy at this point? Should not have to go below this low, 93,800. This low. Can I buy? because it is possible that market could be aggressively bullish from here. The weight has come down the same way, it could be bullish as well, going up and up and up to knock all of those highs. This is what I'm asking. What could be the reason that I will not take this trade? This is also a question because where we reached, that's why. Market could be bullish from here. Could be aggressively bullish from a 1 hour time frame. It's possible it could be bullish from here. The weight is going up 94 100. Look at this, keeping this value gap open. Look at this, keeping this value gap open, going up. Can I buy at this point? What will be my stop loss, man? Can put your stop loss below 93 800. I should have to just tape read the market. It should have to aggressively go up, invert this 5 minute time frame fail gap, go up and go up and up and up. This is what it is I'm thinking about right now. Let's see how this 15-minute time frame candle close. And we have 10:32 right now. Look at this 1 hour time frame going up and up. Can I buy at this point? Just for the fact that market could be aggressively bullish from here. Look at this week on for 4 hour time frame. I think so. It could be bullish from here. It has already inverted this value gap as well. I don't know if market could be aggressively bullish from here or not. Not sure. I only knew one thing: if it has to be bullish, it has to be aggressively bullish. I only knew one thing, that it should have to respect 1 minute time frame period is if it has to be bullish, and it should have to be bullish when bullish. That's it. This is what it is. I already know. Oh, I knew only. That's it. Otherwise, nothing else. We don't need these levels now. If it really has to be bullish. Otherwise, if for example, if it did not aggressively bullish from here, otherwise I think morning session is done. It will not do nothing. And I think so. Maybe an afternoon session as well. Market will do nothing. And maybe for tomorrow you can be bullish. It could remain sideways, or maybe next afternoon session maybe it could be bullish as well. Who knows? It seems to me it is very aggressively bullish. So this is how it is. Like it should have to, if for example it is still it possible it could be bullish from here, but if it really has to be bullish aggressively going toward upper side, should have to respect 1 minute time frame period raise going up and up and up, inverting all of those levels. And we have seen rejection from VWAP at this range. And on 15-minute time frame, on 15-minute time frame, we have seen rejection from the 15-minute time frame fairly gap as well. And this is the inverted 4-hour time frame fairly gap as well. I will be leaning bearish that it could further go toward downward side from here if we remain below this green candle and create lows very close to each other at this point. Then at some point I'll be looking for all of those lows to be knocked for to this Thursday high to downward side. Should you have to remain this kind of price action and then Thursday high. I think we don't need this 15-minute time frame. It's getting messy right now. So look at this on 1 minute time frame. It should not have to. If for example it would have been aggressively bullish, this is what I was telling you on 5 minute time frame. It should have to keep this value gap open, and now it is trading very close to this low. I'm not confident that on these lows could be knocked. It could invert this 5 minute time frame value gap, try to knock all of those lows as well. So I'm not leaning aggressively bullish right now. So this is the 1 minute time frame value gap we have created. I'm anticipating this low, this value gap right now for my for bearish case scenario. Let's see. So I'm not going for a short at this point because my stop loss is not defined yet. I go for a short, where will be my stop loss? I do not want to put my stop loss there. I want to put my stop loss just at the wick above the certain wicks if it create. Otherwise, no trade. We have while it is doing that, we have to keep an eye on bigger picture time frame as well. 5 minute, 5 minute. On 15-minute time frame, do you think like this is a complete rejection market has shown from 15-minute time frame gap and 4-hour time frame value gap as well? Let's see is there potential to come down to this daily low on 15-minute time frame. But how much time we left for We have 3 minutes left for the 15-minute time frame close. Can I go for a short? Must Where will be my stop loss if I go for a short? This is the question. I'm not confident to put my stop loss above this high. On 1 minute time frame, I'm just aiming for this low, these lows, and this early gap. As a day trader, you have to know that, well, you did not have to take any trade. If you don't know this, you're not a trader, man. You're gambling. So I think so for me right now, there's no trade right now. There was a trade before. We missed them. It is fine. And we're just watching to find observing the per second if you if you can find any other trade. But I don't think so. There is any trade really for reason. Think so. I may be completely wrong, but I did not find so. So this is the thing. So I'm aiming for all of those lows to this fairly gap on 1 minute time frame. Possible. We have this 5 minute time frame fairly gap as well in the market is going to be completely choppy at this range. I think so. We just need this. We don't need. I need my alerts in here. It seems to me market will remain completely choppy at that right now. We'll be here after this 4 hour time frame close. We have 1 hour 16 minutes left. I may end the stream, but I'll be watching the price section. So right now, look at this. I was telling you I'm not confident on this. Still we're leaning bearish. Really great if market get to wicks at this range, then come down. I will aim for this low, this early gap, this daily low as well. It is not mandatory that it has to be going down from here. Could be inverting this level and then try to go to VWAP or be bullish as well. Anything can happen. Not confident to take any kind of trade right now. If you have missed this trade, this could have been your second trade. It was before opening and before the news. You should have. Definitely you could have closed your position before the news as well. There could have been a good trades, by the way. Good two trades for today. This short in here. It's after 8:30 news. I was looking for all of the. I was not confident for all of those lows. This low as well. This low as well. Initially, I was not aiming or looking for. I was not confident for these lows. It went down. Close your position on those lows, and then after that, after the opening, just stop loss above this high from here, inverting this level and then going down. So now let's see if for bearish case scenario my stop loss is above this high. Should have to invert this 1 minute time frame favorable gap to try to knock this low, and this inefficiency. Can I go for a short right now? It's 10:47 now. It's going to be a very small short. This is a 15-minute time frame favorable gap as well market has created. So if I go for a short, I'll be content with this low and this area. That's it. So yeah, this is the favorable gap now. It should not have to show. It should have to aggressively go down. By the way, like wicks into this area, it's fine. Wicked into that area is fine. Now your stop loss should be above this candle. Like this is the 50% of the range. It should not go above, and then this low, and this favorable gap I'm aiming for on 15-minute time frame. It is possible that it could go down from here. 30-minute time frame, not, and don't know. Just 1 hour time frame. We have 11 minutes left to close. If this 1 hour time frame would have closed above this 4 hour time frame gap, I would have confident that we could be aggressively bullish, but we don't know. 30-minute time frame, we can anticipate market could go down to 93,700. We can go to 93,700 from here. Here, this is the weak market. Should not have to, technically speaking, not to go above this weak candle now. All of those candles, I want to see red candles toward downward side to this Tuesday low. I cannot go for a short. Yeah, this is going down. We good. Yeah, good, good. 700 we was aiming for. Let's go to yeah. You should take profit at this point. That's it. Uh, do I need to highlight this 15-minute time frame failure gap? Maybe it could invert this level and then try to knock all of those lows in this area as well. I think so. I need to highlight that. Let's see if market has a potential to invert this 15-minute time frame failure gap to show any intent to knock all of those lows, or maybe while going down, create low higher this range, try to be bullish, then again go up, show rejection, then go down. Something like this kind of projection. I would say this kind of price action. And then at certain point in here, I will be looking for all of those lows to be knocked in here. This kind of price action. So this could have been a short as well. You should put your stop loss above this high, inverting this early gap, and then you should not have to go above this week, this low, this low, this low. You have to be content with the smallest of the smallest possible level to take profit. I think I'm not in the mood to take any trade right now, actually, because I'm tired. My mind is not that active right now as well. I don't know, like if I really want to sleep or something, and I really have to work on quite a bunch of things. We'll have to find my own YouTube channel shorts, which I supposed to upload on Monday, and I took it all the way to. But I started editing on Monday actually. This is what I've done terrible. So every Wednesday, my aim is to upload one shot on my own YouTube channel. I wanted to make more content. So this is how it is. Like if you go for a shot at this point and you do not take profit, how you feel? That's how you should have rules. You should have to follow your rules. And yeah, I think so. There's no trade for me right now. At the moment, I wanted to set some alerts on upper side. Maybe I close this chart for now. Maybe we will do, we'll end the live stream. We have 11. We have still an hour left. I have to be in front of the charts for up to 5 man. After that, we'll sleep for a while. I don't know. I really have to finish my. Even though I will not have to sleep at for a whole night, I will not sleep. I will have to really end my shot today. Maybe upload the public my shot tomorrow. Thinking about that, but I really have to do that no matter what. And then live stream is done, and then yeah, first of all, 10 to 12 hour of reading the charts as well. We started watching the charts 10 o'clock, 10 to 5, 7 hours. I have to read the market for 3 hours as well in the night, and 3 hours of reading the market, and two shots I have to upload for today, and then I have to wake up at 4 o'clock early in the morning, and then I have to look for some shopping as well. So to buy tripod stand for my, and I really wanted to improve my these things. I really wanted to improve my these YouTube channel as well, to upload make a good to make a good reel, or to make a good shots, and to make my stream look good, all that. I think my narrative is fine considering how I'm posting these shots. But I really need to improve this one. So because I've seen this is what I have not seen on the YouTube. Day trader psychology every day is a day trader psychology. On 5 minute time frame, I will not do trade now. Any kind of trade, I will not do any kind of trade now, because I'm not in that state to take any kind of trade. Yeah, I wanted to relax a little bit mentally, and then I have to wanted to be more of like. I have physical strength. Physically, I'm stronger than women, and girls, women knew that. And also, the thing is, like, and I have to show her I'm mentally stronger than her as well. Even though women need men, don't need women. True. Accept that. Women do not accept. Not at all. I'm independent woman. I know how to have my rights. How can you? No way, you're man. No way, you need men to take care of you, to give you sex, proper life, to love you. Men, for me, like, I'm a man. I know how to control myself. I would say the masculine man, or masculine something. It's very choppy, man, and I'm not mentally in a state to go for any kind of trade. I think I should have to end this live stream. It's getting boring and boring. This is what I was thinking, but for my live stream, I really have to work on my thumbnail. They are not good, and then I have wanted to put some music as well onto that because it's very boring. This guy do a good live stream, by the way. It has background very good. It has his background very good, and then it do live stream every day for forever. So it has ended now. Ended this live stream. I will watch his live stream as well. We'll see what he says. So he will do membership only. So I guess I'll see you guys maybe next time. Tomorrow I have job. I will finish at 6, and then by the time I will come back, it will be more of like 8. I have to take 2 hours. It will be taking 2 hours. I have to take all the way other side of the London. So we'll see if I can be able to do live stream at my job. I don't think so. I can be able to do that over there. Otherwise, I will come back and home, and then we will do live stream at late in afternoon, and then I will upload short as well. These are the most important thing tomorrow I have to do. That's why I really want to finish my the own YouTube channel short today. So I'll be more of like relaxed. I can do editing while traveling as well for my next short, or while doing anything as well. I really want to buy some books as well because I travel a lot, so I can read some books as well. So yeah, while traveling, just keep focused. That's why. And yeah, that's how it is, guys. This guy has done 8K, man. Shit. We'll watch out this later, and then I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow in a late afternoon session. I will let you guys know in a Twitter if we'll do live stream early, and then see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Take care.